Hi everybody, welcome to this edition of Tech Tip of the Week. Thanks very much to Tom for nominating me to do this session for you. Much appreciated. So what we're going to be doing today is going over Google Forms. I recently used this to collect the module survey from students. Unfortunately, we couldn't use it in the right way where the students enter the information themselves, but hopefully next time. But it at least showed me this little bit of software and what it can do for you. So, firstly, how to get into Google Forms. We need to log into Muse. And then at the top, My Services, Google Drive. And then here at the top, you've got a square. Click on that, down to More, and then Forms. Okay, so at the top you can see the different kinds of things that you can do. You can use it to make a quiz. You could make it as an event sign up, but here on the blank one, you can use it for a survey, which is what I've done. So I'll quickly show you how to make the survey, and then, like they always say on the cooking programs, I'll show you one that I've done earlier. So this is how to make the survey. You can give it a title, you can give it a description, and then here's where you start to work on the questions. Now, the good thing about Google Forms is they're really, really easy to use, and you can move around the questions even after you've made them, and you can also edit them very easily, so it's quite handy. So when you want to make your first question, you need to choose how it will appear to the person who's taking the survey. You can do short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, and drop down. Checkboxes are for when you want the user to be able to choose multiple options. So multiple choice, they can only choose one. So you need to choose your question type. And then also at the bottom, you need to click on required. So that means the person can't skip the question. You can also delete or duplicate. So if you have a similar question and you don't want to type it out again, you can duplicate. So once you get all of your questions done, you're ready to send the survey out. So you just need to push send. And you can email it to people, you can email it to yourself, and then you can forward out the link to everybody else. You could get this link and then copy and paste it, send it to people, and you can also embed it as an HTML. So once you send out the survey and you want to check on your responses, all you need to do is click on responses, and I will show you responses from my own survey that I did. Hopefully it's this one. It's not this one. Okay. Okay, so you can see I've got 7 responses here to my survey about cheese. You can see it in a pie chart format, which is nice. So this is not working well here for me. These are the different questions, then it just shows you visually what your responses are. And then here's an example of a free text box and what people have written in. So obviously you want to export this data into Excel, which is really easy to do at the top here, the little green button. And it brings it into Excel, so it's exactly the way that you'd expect it to appear. So you can also export this into normal Excel. So I guess this must be Google Form Excel. So I would download as Excel. And then you can save it onto your drive. Oops. You can filter on these answers. You can do any kind of analysis that you want. So it's quite handy. So hopefully this has been useful for you. Good luck. And the next person who will be doing Tech Tip of the Week is Masood Rajabi. Thanks, everyone.